East Pharma Technologies, a guard for life-saving drugs. Packaging is not just protection, it is the first impression. Automation ensures flawless consistency. Crafted for durability, designed for impact. Luxury you can see, quality you can trust.
At East Pharma Technologies, we manufacture high-quality metal tin packaging using advanced printing and finishing technologies. With multiple designs, lacquer coating, and UV finishing, we ensure both durable and premium appearance. Our automated process delivers consistent quality across a wide range of products for pharma, nutraceutical, cosmetic, and FMCG applications.
East Pharma Technologies, a guard for life-saving drugs.